Hello, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to teach you about the Spring technology, step-by-step process. So that's I'm going to explain now. Before seeing the Spring technology, we have to use it some tools. Here I just specified some tools. One is like JDK, Java Development Kit, and second thing is install Tomcat, and third one is like Eclipse. So three things we have to install it before using or before writing a code in Spring. The Java JDK. So once you downloaded this JDK and you have to install it. Like what is JDK? I'll show you where you want to download it. Here you can see JDK 1.8 download. I'm just simply mentioning this, and you can see here something like that. It is opening something like this. JDK download. So whatever you want to use it. Here you can see Java SE development kit, and you can see Java AC runtime environment. So you have to use it. Development kit, Java AC development kit, and you should not download this. For Windows 64, I am just downloading this 21158, and I'm going to install this as well. I already installed it. So if you want to download, and you can use this link, and then you can download it and then install it. So once you have downloaded and installed this one, we have to open the system properties like this. In the system properties, you have an environment variables. So in this environment variables, we have to set some path like what you install the JDK, right? So you have to name it Java underscore home. Java underscore home is, this is the value, and we have another values, that is path. In path, if you already having that path in your environment variables, then you can edit it and then type this value. So this is for Java home value. So we are pointing which one you want to take, and this is the path, which the bin directory we are specifying it. So three things. Once you done this and everything you have configured it, you can go to command prompt. So I already opened this one, command prompt, because I want to check whether what version we have used it. For that, I'm just using this one. Okay, small letter. Or so here you can see it. I whatever we configure, that it is providing here. So just type Java C and version. You can see 1.8. If you download 1.9 or 1.6 also, you can see it. So that means it is configured properly. Otherwise, you cannot use it, and this will create an issue. So first step is that we need to download the JDK and then install it. Once you install that one, you have to come into this and then use it, Java C hyphen version. Check the version correctly installed or not, that I'm checking it. So once it is completed, and then we can going to download the Tomcat, and we have to install it. Let's see, Tomcat. So here you can see I'm just trying Apache Tomcat 9. I'm using it. So here you can see it, so many things. I want to download Apache Tomcat 9. Here it is a, there is no download. Here it is a setup. Let's see, Windows. So they are providing a tool. So let me directly go it into this Tomcat download. So here I'll go into this. Yeah, here you can see Tomcat 9 or Tomcat 10, Tomcat 11, whichever you prefer, you can do it. But I'm just doing it Tomcat 9. Here I have to download, it's a core because I need an exe. I want to download it. So because of that, I'm trying to do it. This one, 64-bit Windows Service Installer. It is downloading it. We'll wait for some times. This will take some time, but it's only 11 MB. So based on the bandwidth, this will take, or it's maybe a server slowdown. It also will take time. Let's wait for some times. It is going to complete. So once you have downloaded this Tomcat, I will also tell you how to configure this Tomcat. And finally, we are going to see that Eclipse. So once you download the Eclipse and install that, and then we can finally just going to see that code how to develop in Spring. The three things we have to do it. So I think it is going to complete now. I'm going to install it. Yes. Next. I agree. So I have to load all. I just selected all. Here, this is the 8080. It's your port and username. I can type it admin. Here, I'm going to install it. Install. It is completed. I'm going to show you that. Now, if it is configured properly, we can come and see it here. Localhost 8080. So this one not localhost 8080. Yeah. So you can see this. You are seeing this. You have successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. Yeah. Successfully we installed it. And you can see the server status as well. Here we already provided that admin password, right? The same admin. Now here you can see what is the status and what versions we are using it and what Tomcat, what is the OS, everything. Here we can show you that. So this is what I told you that one. So here it's everything you have it. So no need to do anything. This is the host manager, server status, everything is available. Now this is ready for use because it is successfully installed and successfully configured. So you no need to do anything on this. Let's minimize this. Okay, and finally we are going to download Eclipse IDE. Now two things is completed and third one is Eclipse download. I'll go into the site Eclipse download. Here you can see this. It's a package. So the package means it is not an exe. By using this, you can download and then you can use it. So like that, we have to download it. So this will take some time. Maybe let's see how it is. So because we have so many tools we have here, once you can go into it, you can see so many things. Here itself, you can see open JDK, so many things we have. You can see here other tools. These are the other tools, but we no need those tools and all. We have to download Eclipse IDE 2023-03. But however, if you just select this one, let's see what happening. We'll see eclipse.org. I'm just clicking into this download. Yeah, so this is directly going to here only. I'm going to download this package instead of downloading the installer. I'm going to download this package. I just clicked on this. Here you can see so many things. One is for Java developer and one is for enterprise Java, web developers. So many things you have. So which one you want to select it. But here we are going to use Java. So both you can use it. Java developers and web developers. Here they are mentioning. See, this is here true for any Java developer and Java IDE. This one, and this is for Java IDE, Java server, pages, Markdown, web services. So many things. You can download this. Instead of that, you can download this one because if you want to use web related things is also we can use it, but that's your choice. If you want a web developer, you can use it, or here they are also mentioning so what things we need to do it. But as of now I'm going to download it, but this will take some time because it is having a 518 MB. So you can download it here, and then we can see, let's see, 5 why, okay, but this will take some time. I'll also download this one for Eclipse, two things, because it's just a package, right? So you can download this, you can download as well as anything you can download, just based on your um, requirement. So here you can see it, download package. I'm going to download this links or package. So here you can see anything. Yeah. Yes, it's a zip file. I'm going to download it. Yes, it is going to download, will take some time. It is showing that 23 minutes. Okay, let it download and we will wait for some time. So now you can understand what is the things we need to download it here. So once it has been downloaded, I will show you in the next session for installing the Eclipse, as well as how we are going to configure the Tomcat with Eclipse. But if it is completed, can show you, but this will anyway, this will take some more time. But you come to know how we are have to download this and where we have to download this. These three things you came to know, like, so for before using the Spring, these are the development environment setup. Like this, we can name it development environment setup. So this one Tomcat, you can download it from Tomcat site. That is, we already showed you about this. Tomcat download. Yes, this one here you can download it and install Eclipse, eclipse.org. In that you can go to downloads. In that choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers as a package, not for an installer. So it's not an exe, it's a zip file. So we can directly, whenever we need, we can use it, or else we can use it for web developers. If you want web developers, we can use web developers. No need to install both versions. Instead of that, we can use it as a setup package. So these three things. So once it has been downloaded, we can see it in the next session. Thank you. Bye.